Morning, so it's our first full day here. Off to see what breakfast at Sakir Lodge has to offer, then extra magic hours.
Morning!
Because we stay on Disney property, we have extra magic hours, so we get into the park early. We are going to make a dash for Crush's Coaster because it's super popular and really good. Side note, I am absolutely freezing. So general entry is 10 AM and we are extra magic hours crew, yo. 8:30 for these boys. So I'm willing to say that this is definitely the quietest I've ever seen extra magic hours. Sure. Let's go! He's off! Go on, mate. Go on, my friend. Thinking you're training. If you get to extra magic hours and you just run, you're going to get on everything like first. Crush's Coaster, let's go. Ooh, 10 minutes. Zesty. Real talk, I always forget how good Crush's Coaster is. Every time I get to the top and I'm like, ooh. We went up backwards as well. Bruce is a Halloween Horror Night scale jump scare on the way up there, isn't he? Good grief. Did you have a lovely time?
Yeah, it was good.
You did get folded in like a piece of origami though.
Yeah, that was a bit of a shock.
The good news is Sophie's physio will be very proud of her. She's been trying to get her to get more bend in her leg and she didn't really have a choice. So the rational next step seems to be Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror is so consistently good. Absolutely love it. Good ride, eh?
Oh my god, yeah, really good, really good.
What have you got, Soph?
I managed to get hold of the ones that I've spotted on the pin flyer, the Halloween ones with little Mickey and friends. And I think these ones came out last year, but they're selling them again this year. So they're two Winnie the Pooh ones I haven't got. So
very cool. And then I'm just adding to my Phantom Manor collection with these two bad boys. What are you having, mate?
I got a Jack Teddy, Stitch Pen, and a Maleficent keyring.
Oh, where's the Jack Teddy going?
In my car.
Oh.
Yeah. He's
I
been
love
sit, pride and place on the back seat.
Love it. You know when you like get to a till and there's like promotional stuff, you're like, no one ever buys that stuff. I am that guy. I was going to put camera filters in this, but I can get my bank cards in it. Got myself a lovely new purse. I assume that this crane has something to do with the Spider-Man ride that they're building. Zesty. So that's Tower of Terror done. We're gonna hop aboard Ratatouille and then we've basically done this whole park. And it's off to the other parks the rest of the day. Solid plan.
Solid plan.
That's it! Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Rémi. À bientôt et bon appétit. Meal?
I particularly enjoy the part where the hand comes through the wall. Fantastic stuff. Love Ratatouille. So it's 10 AM and the Studios Park is just open for like the general public and we are leaving because we've done everything in the park. So this is why I think extra magic hours are the best way to do pretty much anything in Disneyland Paris. Ooh!
Look at these!
It's Toy Story treats. I feel like the Pixar ball looks really cool, but I'm not sure I'd be able to eat it with being an apple. Like that would be pretty tough to eat walking around, wouldn't it? I might have a forky shortcake though.
Yeah,
it's pretty cool. Definitely want to come back here for Toy Story treats once it's open. Walt Disney Studios completed it, mate. So now we've done Walt Disney Studios in extra magic hours. We've gone over to Disneyland Park, straight to Big Thunder Mountain. I've started buying things. Look how soft it is.
Nice.
So now in Frontierland,
We have got some fast passes for about 50 minutes time. Not even 50 minutes time, is it? No, 40 minutes time.
Easy.
So, time to get something to eat. Fried rock crock, so essentially a nice ham and cheese toasty.
That's very nice. It's my Pride Rock toasty, it was very nice. That's time for a Big Thunder Mountain. Let's go.
It was ace, as always.
Big Thunder Mountain.
Sick.
It's so good. The G-force at the end's mad, isn't it? It's more Lion King related food. This time we're going for a awesome chocolate print. Sounds nice.
It's got chocolate in it and I think it's shortbread. That's very nice.
Oh, it's coconutty.
A lollipop.
Mmm.
It's like a coconut sponge.
Tastes like coconuts. It's like a bounty. I really like that. So we were leaving the park to go back to the hotel for a swim and I almost made it out, but I saw something I have to buy. It's a hat. Very good purchase. Very happy. Good investment. So good. I think we're gonna go for a swim. It's 3:10 and we've done literally everything we wanted to do in the park. So bit of a swim and then some food and then we'll go back in for round 2. How's your donut?
Really good.
Tasty.
Well, I'm all full of beans again. We've been back to the hotel, had a little swim. I also had a little bit of a nap. We're going to go back, we're going to ride Big Thunder Mountain again, we're going to ride Pirates of the Caribbean, we're going to eat some food and then get an early night.
Early night. We're going to end up in the bar.
I like your Spirit jersey, mate.
Thanks, pal.
Et la sans souci philosophie, c'est aussi de ça l'objet de...
I have no idea what's going on, I'm just happy to see Pumba. Sorry.
La bata quoi? La bata quoi? La bata quoi? Mais vous vous rendez compte? Un rassemblement son...
I love Pirates of the Caribbean because it has a really distinctive smell. I think it just smells really nice.
It does, yeah.
Very nice smell.
Yeah.
Je suis un pirate et un des meilleurs.
So we are done for the day, I think, aren't we?
Yeah, I've done everything we can think of that we want to do.
Twice.
Some of them.
Fantastic day. It's been super. Favourite part today?
Winning at Buzz Lightyear.
Favourite part of the day, Amy, mate, what you saying?
Hyperspace Mountain.
Hyperspace Mountain was dope.
Crush's Coaster as
Yeah,
well.
I was mine is Crush's Coaster.
It's on the car.
Definitely Crush's Coaster.
I probably would have put Crush's Coaster up there if it wasn't for the fact that I was
Nearly
not
cried.
comfortable in any way,
Folded
shape
in
or
like a
form.
piece of origami.
And every jolt, my knees went.
So I think we're going to polish it off now with a cheeky Annette's burger, I think. Ooh.
We've got another full day tomorrow, so we'll catch you in the next one.
Oh, lovely.